Hello, my dear student. Today we are gonna learn daily action. Are you ready to learn English with me? If you are ready, let's get started. Reka dutangire. What are you packing? What are you packing? Uri gupakira iki? I'm packing my bag. Uri gupakira ibanga. I'm packing my bag. Are you watering the plants? Uri kuvomera ibimera? Yes, I am watering the plants. Yego. I am watering plants. Can you tie your shoes? Can you tie shoes? Ese wazirika imishumi y'inkweto? Yes, I can tie my shoes. Yego. Nshobora kuyizirika. Are you brushing your teeth? Are you brushing your teeth? Uri koza amenyo? Yes, I am brushing my teeth. Yego, ndi koza amenyo. I am brushing my teeth. Are you cleaning the house? Are you cleaning the house? Uri gusukura inzu? Yes, I am cleaning the house. Yego, I am cleaning the house. Ndi gusukura inzu. Are you studying? Uri kwiga? Are you studying? Yes, I am studying for my test. Yego, ndi kwiga kubera test. What are you making? What are you making? Uri gukora iki? I'm making my bed. Ndimo gusasa. I'm making my beds. What are you painting? What are you planting? Uri gutera iki? I'm planting flowers. Ndimo gutera ururabo. I'm planting flowers. Ndimo gutera ururabo. Are you washing your hands? Are you washing your hands? Uri gukaraba intoki? Yes, I am washing my hands. Yego, ndi gukaraba intoki. Who are you helping? Who are you helping? Uri gufasha nde? I'm helping my friends. I'm helping my friends. Ndimo gufasha inshuti. I'm helping my friends. What are you cooking? What are you cooking? Utetse iki? I'm cooking pasta. I'm cooking pasta. Ntetse ubugari. What is this? What is this? Iki ni iki? This is doll. This is doll. Ni igipupe. This is doll. What are you eating? Uri kurya iki? What are you eating? I'm eating cake. Ndi kurya cake. I'm eating cake. What are you reading? What are you reading? Uri gusoma iki? I'm reading a book. I'm reading a book. Ndi gusoma igitabo. Can you run fast? Can you run fast? Uzi kwiruka vuba vuba? Yes, I can run fast. I can run very fast. Yego nzi kwiruka cyane. Where are you going? Ugiye he? Where are you going? Ugiye he? I'm going to school. I'm going to school. Ngiye ku ishuri. Can you climb the tree? Can you climb the tree? Uzi kurira igiti? Yes, I can climb the tree. Yes, I can climb the tree. Yego, nzi kurira igiti. Can you swim? Can you swim? Uzi koga? Yes, I can swim in the pool. Yes, I can swim in the pool. Yego, nzi koga muri pisine. Can you climb the tree? Can you climb the tree? Uzi kurira igiti? Yes, I can climb the tree. I can climb the tree. Yego, nzi kurira igiti. Can you swim the pool? Can you swim? Can you swim? Uzi koga? Yes, I can swim in the pool. Yes, I can swim in the pool. What are you drawing? What are you drawing? Uri gushushanya iki? I'm drawing a cat. I'm drawing a cat. Ndimo gushushanya injangwe. I'm drawing a cat. Are you singing? Are you singing? Uzi kuririmba? Are you singing? Uri kuririmba? Yes, I am singing a song. Yego, ndi kuririmba indirimbo. What are you doing? What are you doing? Uri gukora iki? I'm playing with my doll. I'm playing with my doll. Ndimo gukina n'agapupe. I'm playing with my doll. Are you dancing? Uri kubyina? Are you dancing? Yes, I am dancing to the music. I'm dancing to the music. Yego, ndimo kubyina umuzika. Are you okay? Are you okay? Umeze neza? Are you okay? Yes, I'm fine. I'm fine. Yego, umeze neza. I'm fine. Can you read this book? Can you read this book? Ese uzi gusoma iki gitabo? Yes, I can read this book. I can read this book. Yego, nzi gusoma igitabo. Are you playing soccer? Are you playing soccer? Uri gukina umupira w'amaguru? Yes, I am playing soccer. I am playing soccer. Yego, ndi gukina umupira w'amaguru. Can you write your name? Can you write your name? Ushobora kwandika izina ryawe? Yes, I can write my name. Yes, I can write my name. Yego, nzi kwandika izina ryanjye. Are you ironing your clothes? Are you ironing your clothes? Uri gutera ipasi imyenda? Yes, I am ironing my clothes. I am ironing my clothes. No gutera ipasi imyenda yanjye. What are you learning in school? What are you learning in school? Ni iki wiga mu ishuri? I am learning math. I am learning math. Niga imibare. Thank you for watching this video. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe, share and comment. See you next time. I love you so much.